Present indefinite tense part 2. First write your answer in the comment section, then watch the full video. Question number 11. I never dash late. The correct answer is option B, M. Number 12. He dash not play football. The correct answer is option C, does. Number 13. You dash to the gym regularly. The correct answer is option C, go. Number 14. We dash to music on weekends. Listen. Number 15. My father dash early every day. The correct answer is option B, wakes. Number 16. The train dash at 5 p.m. The correct answer is option B, arrives. Number 17. She dash very fast. The correct answer is option A, runs. Number 18. I always dash a book before sleeping. The correct answer is option A, read. Number 19. He dash a lot of water. The correct answer is option B, drinks. Number 20. They dash at 9 a.m. daily. The correct answer is option A, arrive. Write your answer in comment section. Thank you. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you.